Best online skills to learn for jobs by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAzizQualityEducation channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
In today's digital world, learning online skills is one of the fastest ways to get a job or increase your income. Companies are no longer focused only on degrees, they want people who have practical, job-ready skills. Let's explore the best online skills you can learn to build a successful career. 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills. You can learn social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing. Businesses need online promotion, so this skill offers many job opportunities. 2. Graphic design. Graphic design is a creative and highly paid skill. You can create social media posts, logos and branding, YouTube thumbnails, advertisements. Tools to learn: Canva, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator. 3. Video editing. With the rise of YouTube and social media, video editing is in high demand. You can work on YouTube videos, Reels and Shorts, ads and promotional videos. Popular tools: CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora. 4. Web development. Web development is one of the highest paying skills. You can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, website design and development, front-end or back-end development. Every business needs a website, so demand is very high. 5. AI tools and automation. AI skills are becoming essential for future jobs. You can learn using AI tools for writing and design, automation tools, basic AI concepts. People who understand AI will have a strong advantage. 6. Data analysis. Data is very important for companies. You can learn Excel, data visualization, basic data analysis, advanced tools, Power BI, Python, optional. 7. Content writing. Content writing is a great skill for freelancing and jobs. You can write blog articles, website content, social media posts. Strong writing skills can open many opportunities. 8. Freelancing skills. Freelancing allows you to earn online using your skills. Popular platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Skills like writing, design, and marketing can help you earn globally. 9. Communication skills. Even with technical skills, communication is very important. You should improve speaking skills, interview skills, professional communication. Good communication increases job success. 10. Cybersecurity basics. With increasing online activity, cybersecurity is becoming important. You can learn basic security concepts, data protection, online safety practices. This field has strong future demand. Conclusion: learning online skills is one of the best ways to build your career in today's competitive world. The key is to choose a skill, practice consistently, and apply it in real projects.